Today we're gonna make a new video called Zoe Surfers. So it's not my first time playing, but I want to unlock some characters. Lots of them. I'm trying to unlock all of them. Like I unlock all these, and these are really good. Hate to admit it, but I used to not have a lot of coins. Let's start off basic with this guy, Jake. So let's go, guys. The point of this game is like jumping, run away from a cop, but not really. No, I died. I'm sorry, guys. I died fast. She'll come again. I really don't know what's my head for. I'm sorry, guys. I don't think you guys can see my videos. I saw it. I looked one time up, and I saw that people looked at it at my first one in the morning, like in 8 minutes past. But it's okay. I didn't see watching this video. Okay. No, seriously, I missed. I'm sorry. I missed, guys. I missed. I'm sorry. I'm going again. I better not miss. I'm the worst at this. I'm the worst. I'll try my best. Am I not up in the ceiling? This is very funny. Okay. Coins. We're going normal. And I also have some surfboards. If you were wondering, it says. Wait. I like these more because they protect you from getting hit. Again, I got it. Before year. See, like that. That's what I like about this. And oh my god, guys. I'm running. Please don't tell me this. Don't fail. I have a sister called Donna. She's really good at this. She beats me. She's a little bit younger than me. Yep, I failed. But she's a little bit younger than me. Oh, I got 500 coins. I didn't know that. Oh, I'm so close, guys. I'm so close. See you later when I get to about 100 coins. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let's go. I'm sorry, I axed out. This is the worst day of my life. I'm sorry. Let's play again. Let's choose a different character. Okay, I choose the ninja. The normal one. Okay. Oh, and if you're wondering what this is recorded by, it's by Mobson. You can record things by You can record things by Mobson. Anything. You can record like the screen, or you can just record by using another phone. But I didn't like that, so I used this instead. Okay, I'm going. Please don't fail. Please don't fail. No, please, please. Yes. Too late. Going. Going. I'll see you later until I get. Nah, I'm not going. I'm gonna wait with you guys. Wait. Yes. Got everything here, guys. Thank you. Yes. No. I jinxed it. I jinxed it. Oh yeah. Next time I'm gonna play with my little sister Dana. I don't know if you like it, but we both like it a lot. My last round, sorry guys, but this is my last round. It's going to be with Fresh. And wait guys. I'm gonna skip for a moment until I get 20 coins. See you later. Hey guys, I'm back. And I'm going again. Not start all over. Okay. Got 20 coins. It's going not that bad. What? Do you also know that when you jump these boots with these boots, it also collects all the coins. For example, I'll show you really quick. For example, like this. Not like that, but when you jump with the like golden boots, it collects coins. You'll see. Wait, when I get it, normally it doesn't look. You'll see. No. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Maybe another time I'll show you, but I think you already know that, guys. And my goal is to collect every character there is. Right now, my goal is to collect the king. I'm close. For him, you need to buy 80,000 coins. I have 70,000 coins, so I'm close. But still getting 90,000 coins, because if I get the 90,000 coins, I still have 10,000 coins. So I'll catch you up later. And I hope you subscribe. And if it's your first time watching this video, please subscribe. And I'll see you later. Goodbye.